Buildings and constructions account for 40% of global carbon emissions. At Sika, we are committed to sustainability and have a proactive role in decarbonizing the construction industry. When it comes to raw materials and formulations, we have developed 3 generations of emission-reducing mortars. In China, we are now at 26% clinker reduction for our annual mortar volume, leading to 23% less emissions, which represents 195,000 tons reduction in absolute numbers.
When it comes to our production processes, we have also implemented clean energy solutions. Our plant is equipped with 6,900 square meters of advanced solar photovoltaic panels, generating 2 million kilowatts of electricity annually. This replaces over 27% of our traditional energy consumption. 2023 is the first year for us to accomplish electricity self-supply and supply to others. In 2026, we are planning to cover all factories with solar energy. Ultimately, our mission is to contribute to the decarbonization of every building in China throughout its life cycle.
We are proud to work at Sika. We create innovative technologies for sustainable solutions. That's how we build trust, always delivering value that goes beyond the expected.